The Astronomia Maestro from Jacob & Company combines 3 high complications in one grand complication timepiece. In addition to the central time display, the Astronomia Maestro has 4 satellite arms rotating constantly over the hand-painted galaxy dial on a venturine. The triple-axis flying tourbillon turns in one axis every 60 seconds, in the second axis every 90 seconds, and rotates around the dial in 10 minutes. The remaining 3 satellites consist of a magnesium globe, a hand-painted astronaut, and a moon phase and date display. The astronaut and the globe turn on themselves in 40 seconds and rotate around the dial in 10 minutes. The moon phase uses a 1-carat 288 facet Jacob cut diamond, half black and half white. These 4 satellites are exactly the same weight to maintain perfect balance. The 47mm rose gold case has a circular sapphire crystal on the side and a domed sapphire crystal on top. The minute repeater is actuated by the slide on the side of the case. The push of the slide charges the power reserve of the carry-in minute repeater, which chimes out the hours, quarters of hours, and the minutes. Please note that you cannot operate the minute repeater while setting the time, as the 2 functions are linked. Doing so will damage the movement, so please be careful and make sure the time-setting bow is completely pushed back in after setting the time. For the first time ever in watchmaking, the circular minute repeater gongs are visible above the base plate. So when the minute repeater is actuated, you can admire the 3 hammers striking the gongs circling around the movement. Setting and winding the watch is still very straightforward, despite its many complications. On the massive rose gold caseback with relief engraved name and limitation plates, there are 3 bows. The lift-out bow on the left side of the back case is for setting the time. To set the time, pull the bow out to the first position, then turn the bow. Push the bow back in to continue normal timekeeping. Please make sure the bow is fully pushed back in after setting. Winding is done with the top bow, and a full wind provides 48 hours of power reserve for the manual wind movement. Setting the date and the moon phase is accomplished with the right bow. Turn the bow clockwise to set the date. To make sure the date setting is accurate, turn this quick set to the day before today. Then turn the hands with the setting bow until the date changes. Now the watch knows it's midnight. Then use the setting bow to set the time normally. Please make sure the bow is fully pushed back in after setting. Turn the moon phase bow in the opposite direction to set the moon phase. To set the moon phase correctly, please consult a moon phase table on your smartphone or computer. The Astronomia Maestro adds a new grand complication to the Jacob & Company collection, combining the brand's signature triple-axis tourbillon with a carry-in minute repeater and a moon phase date display. The Astronomia Maestro by Jacob & Company. Complicated yet simple.